Detroit Diesel, a brand born in the heart of American industry, has been powering rigs since the 1930s. Known for their tight integration with Freightliner trucks and increasingly smart engine diagnostics, they've evolved into digital age workhorses. Cummins, on the other hand, is the name you hear when someone says, "I'll take reliability over flash." They've been around just as long, but with a rep built on brute strength, global reach, and a cult-like following in both heavy-duty and pickup markets. Quick question. If Detroit and Cummins were boxers, who's Ali and who's Tyson? Exactly. Let's put them in the ring. We're breaking this battle down into 4 rounds: performance, reliability, fuel economy, and cost of ownership. Detroit's flagship DD15 engine? It delivers a whopping 505 horsepower and 1,850 pound-feet of torque. And with their turbo compounding technology, it reuses exhaust heat to boost power without extra fuel burn. Cummins' response? The X15, known to punch out up to 605 horsepower and 2,050 pound-feet of torque. It's like putting a freight train in your cab, so Detroit's a scalpel. Precise, optimized. Cummins, a sledgehammer, but power alone won't win the long haul. Here's where things get juicy. Detroit engines are part of the Daimler ecosystem. That means streamlined diagnostics, but you're often locked into Freightliner service networks. Some drivers love it. Others, not so much. Cummins, though, they're the independent king. With more than 3,700 certified service locations across North America, good luck getting stranded where a Cummins tech isn't within 100 miles. Humorous aside, it's like having a doctor that makes house calls, but only if you've got a red engine block. Fuel is where fleets live or die. Detroit Diesel's predictive cruise and downspeeding tech mean these engines often sip diesel like it's top-shelf bourbon, slow and refined. Expect 6.5 to 7.5 miles per gallon on optimized routes. Cummins? Efficient, yes, but not always as tight in software to hardware integration. Fleet reports show anywhere from 6 to 7 miles per gallon, depending on configuration. But one hidden feature in Detroit's arsenal is quietly tipping the scale in fuel costs. We'll reveal that in just a moment. Initial price tag? Pretty close. But Cummins parts are often cheaper and more available. Plus, their engines are rebuilt friendly, which stretches lifespan well past 1 million miles. Detroit? More proprietary systems. Great for warranty periods. Not so great when you're 500,000 miles in and staring at a 5-digit repair bill. All right, let's recap with a twist. If you're a fleet manager optimizing for fuel savings, software integration, and emissions compliance, Detroit Diesel is your strategic play. Their smart tech suite? It practically thinks for the driver. But if you're a long-haul owner-operator, looking for parts availability, lower repair costs, and a legacy of bulletproof reliability, Cummins is your warhorse. It's the engine you hand down, not trade in. Remember, you can't fuel loyalty with diesel, but you can burn money without the right engine. Still torn? Let's throw in the wild card. Did you know both Detroit and Cummins are testing next-gen hydrogen and hybrid systems right now? What you buy today could lock you out of key upgrades tomorrow. That's right. Your engine choice isn't just about today. It's about future-proofing your rig for the next 5 years. And we've got a follow-up video coming next week on Detroit and Cummins, who's winning the race to zero emissions. You won't want to miss it. If this video helped clarify the battle between Detroit and Cummins, smash that like button and drop your engine of choice in the comments. Are you Team Cummins, or does Detroit Diesel own your loyalty? Subscribe for weekly deep dives into truck tech, fleet tips, and industry updates that matter. Until next time, drive smart, wrench hard, and choose the engine that works as hard as you do.